Good afternoon, class. How have you been?
Fine.
Good. So, first of all, we are going to check on the attendance and the register. So, if you hear your name, you can say present. So, Faith. Faith, are you in? Or she's absent? Jeremiah?
Present, sir.
Christy? No? Julius?
Present, sir.
Okay, thank you. So class, today we are going to tackle about advanced machining. We previously saw, or we did what we call the traditional machining. So on advanced machining, before we do advanced machining, I want us maybe someone to tell us, to give us a recap on what we studied about the tradition or traditional machining. Anybody? Give us an example that we did. Traditional machining. I remember we discussed about the lathe machine, the conventional lathe machine. Who can tell us the operations that we studied? We give us, it's a recap. We are doing a recap. We did turning. Another one?
Basic.
Facing. The last one? Good. I can see you still remember about tradition or traditional machining. So we are going to dive in what we call the advanced machining, and before then, I'm going to give you what you expected. This is what we call the learner outcomes. So by the end of this lesson, we are going to have these outcomes. class, I want to define what is advanced machining. In a simple term, we can define advanced machining as a modern and innovative manufacturing process. So we are writing. So I want to see each and every student write it, because this is a very, very important and a basic topic. So we are saying that advanced machining, so this is definition. That's the definition of the advanced machining. So I hope you can be able to familiarize yourself with that definition, because it's a very basic definition. Then we are going to have to state as per our objective. We are going to give at least 3 types of advanced machining, and these 3 types of advanced. The first one,
EDM.
EDM. Anybody knows the second one? We're also going to talk about the CNC machining. We're also going to talk about an advanced machining called laser jet. Number 4, we're also going to talk about water jet. But for now, I want us to dwell on these 2, the CNC and the water jet. How many have ever seen a CNC machine? How does it look like? Or which are the components of maybe a simple component of CNC machine? Or you can give an example.
Is the coding monitor?
Yes. So we have the monitor. So when she talks of a monitor, it means that we are inserting a program. It's like it has an embedded computer. Are you together? So it is, we discuss about the traditional way or the traditional method of, let's say for example, the lathe machine. So the same case, we also have the CNC lathe machine. We also have the milling machine, which is CNC. So briefly, let's get into what we call the importance of CNC machining, the advanced machining. Who can give us one importance of CNC? It does various jobs. It can be able to multitask. Thank you. So briefly, because of time, the surface finish is very correct. The machining is faster. It has error in machining. The material removal rate is very high. So we are talking of material removal rate is very high. So learners, this marks the end of our lesson, and I want you people to go and check on disadvantages. This is your assignment of advanced machining. So thank you very much. So let's meet in the next class.